Hello everyone. In this video I am going to talk about knowledge is power. There are very few people who can understand the importance of the knowledge. All educated persons need not to be a knowledgeable persons, but all knowledgeable persons are educated. In today's world, almost everyone is studied, everyone is well educated, but we don't know the knowledge of the subject what we have studied. Knowledge is not about only bookish knowledge. Knowledge is something apart from that we have to think much about the inventions. We should utilize our knowledge in that way. So that is what exactly knowledge is. But we don't know exactly the subject of the knowledge what we have studied. Knowledge is something you cannot buy. You have to earn it. That means you have to work hard to get the knowledge. You have to put your focus to get the knowledge in the work whatever that you want to do. Knowledge is something that you cannot buy. Knowledge is the thing which you can get more whenever you are teaching to the others. That is what exactly the knowledge is. Whenever you are sharing with the others, you will be getting the more knowledge. So knowledge will be increased whenever you are teaching with the others. That means whenever you are explaining to the others. Whenever you have the knowledge, you can differentiate what is wrong and what is right exactly. So knowledge gives us that much of a boost up because we are not doing the same mistake again and again. Whenever you have the knowledge with you, you will not commit the same mistake again and again because you have the knowledge with you. So until unless you have knowledge with you, you will not repeat the same mistake. So that's the reason why we should get the knowledge about the things what we do in our respective life. That is very, very important. We should acquire the knowledge about the things whatever that we are doing. That's the reason we are all saying that knowledge is power. Whenever you have a knowledge with you, you can differentiate what is wrong and what is right exactly. So you are in a position to understand the things. This one is correct and this one is wrong, so that whenever you have a knowledge with you, you will not attempt and you will not go into the negative way because you have the information about the things what you are going to do. So it's a very powerful tool actually. Knowledge is a very powerful tool. If you want to know about the growth and development of any nation, you have to find out the knowledgeable persons which are available in that particular nation. That means any nation, how that nation can be considered as a great nation means not just because of having the arms and weapons having in that country. It's all about how many knowledgeable persons are available in that nation. So that basing on that only, that nation will be treated as a great nation. For example, our nation, India, is a very great nation comparing with the other nations in the world. Why? Because we have a lot of talent. That means we have a lot of knowledgeable persons in our country. So that's the reason why India is going to become a powerful country in the world. So that's the reason why all other countries, they are treating our country as a powerful nation. So the reason is we have a knowledgeable persons. So always keep that point in your minds. Why India became a powerful nation, why India is going to become a powerful nation means we are having a lot of knowledgeable persons. So that's the reason India is considered as a great nation. So that's the reason why many countries, they are ready to do trading with our country because of that knowledge. So that's the reason knowledge will be used as a powerful tool to find the growth of any nation. If you want to find the growth and development of any nation, you can find that how many knowledgeable persons are available in that nation. Basing on that, you can give the rank to that particular nation. So that is what exactly nation, that is knowledge is important here. So knowledge is a very powerful tool. So what I want to summarize from this topic is whenever you are having the knowledge, you will get a lot of confidence. Until unless you have a confidence, you will not achieve the things. So to acquire the knowledge, you have to work hard. That is the only thing. So whenever you are getting that knowledge, you will be it will be easy for you to get succeed in your respective life. So that's the reason knowledge is power. Knowledge will be used in such a way that we'll be getting succeed in our respective lives. In a nutshell, knowledge is a powerful tool. What I want to summarize from the entire topic is knowledge is power. If you like this content, please like and comment me in this comment section so that I will be providing the more information regarding the topics. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.